Okay. But I cannot understand it.
Understand.
Okay, let me go over this one. So it's not hard. It's really easy.
Yeah, this one's easy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we can just skip this one.
Okay. What is this one?
Change subject. So, hmm, a lot of letters.
What is this one? The point is change the subject of the formula, which makes sense, to M, which makes sense. M, it must be as isolated. No, the point is, let me write it. B equal 1/3 Mn minus R, right?
Yeah.
So the first thing, no, I need to get rid of negative R. I need to push it to the other side, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, let me write down 1/3 Mn, which equals to P plus R, right?
Yeah.
Then now I need to get rid of third. So what do you think?
Do. Hmm.
I need to multiply. If you want to get rid of, a fraction,
Yeah.
so you multiply the left hand side and right hand side with the same number. So I need to multiply by 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this part also, I need to multiply it by 3. So this one, it's been cancelled. So it's going to be Mn. This one, if you want to distribute it, it's okay. I'm going to keep it. Well, for me, let me try to distribute it. So it's going to be 3p plus 3r, right? But I haven't done it yet. I need to get m by itself. So what do you think? So I need to divide the left hand side, the right hand side by n, which makes sense. The m equals to 3p plus 3r over n. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, how can I do it again?
So move R to the other side.
Okay. So it's going to be p plus r. I changed the sign. It was
Yeah.
negative, right?
Yeah. Equals a third. And then you need to multiply out third. So, uh, 3p, p plus r, yeah,
Okay.
equals mn.
And
One,
then,
mn, yeah. So 3p plus 3r equals mn. And you get rid of n, so you divide by n both sides.
yeah, right. Perfect.
So it's 3p plus 3r equals n.
Yeah, right. So it means that I'm trying to isolate m, right? Okay, let me go over this one. This one, it's kind of proving something. This one is called, the Pythagorean theorem.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one sounds like the converse. The point is, he didn't ask me to figure out a missing side or something like this one. But the point is, he asked me to determine how either the wall is perpendicular to the ground or not. which makes sense. I'm gonna give you another example. No, it's the same example. Let me show you how. This one, and every single time you are trying to deal with, geometry, don't ever try to assume something by your own, which makes sense. I know this one looks like a right angle triangle, but he didn't mention it. Because if you have a right angle triangle, we show you that we have a little box, right?
Yeah.
You don't have it. You don't have it, honestly. And he told me this one sounds like 8, this one is 6, and this one is 10. But he told me, investigate how is this one, what is the type of the triangle, how is this one is acute, right, or an obtuse angle. Which makes sense in this case, the best thing for me. I'm trying to pick up the longest side that we got it. I didn't assume this one sounds like hypotenuse. I don't know if this one is hypotenuse or not, because I'm going to show you if this one is right angle or not. So, let me try to define Pythagorean theorem. The square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the square of the two other sides, right? So if I try to assume that, the long side, I'm trying to get the square of it, and all of a sudden the square of this one equals the sum of the square of the two other sides. So it makes sense this one is right angle triangle, right? Let me show you. So the longest one is 10. Let me square that. So 10 is squared. And here we have 8 squared plus 6 squared, right? If I ended up with the left-hand side equals to the right-hand side, so it makes sense this one is right angle triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what is square of 100? What is square of 10?
100.
Yeah, right. This one.
64.
This one.
36.
Yeah, okay. Let me try to add up them together. So 64 and 36.
It's 100.
Yeah, okay. So I ended up with the left-hand side equals to the right-hand side, which makes sense. This one is right angle triangle. It's called the converse, of Pythagorean theorem. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to use the same strategy right over there to be able to prove, whether the wall is perpendicular to on the ground or not. I'm not quite sure, but let me show you. This one is 7. Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Oh yeah, okay. So 8 squared equals 7 squared plus 4 squared.
Okay.
Sixty-four equals 49 plus 16.
Okay. So this one is 65. This one is 64. I don't think so. Right?
Yeah.
So you have to write the unequal. Right?
Yeah.
So y, we were trying to prove the converse of Pythagoras theorem, but this one, it means that he look at this one. He asked you to justify your answer, have to prove why. So you have to tell him that we were trying by the converse of Pythagoras. So it means that this is not a right angle. Not right angle triangle. No, we have a theorem. We try to pick up the long side. We were trying to square it, and it gives us, let me show you. The longest side, if I assume that, for example, AB is the long side, here we have AC, here we have BC. They are equal. So it means that this one sounds like a right angle triangle, right?
Yeah.
We have trouble cases, honestly. Let me show you all cases that we have. This one is the first case. So it means that we are trying to deal with right angle triangle. If you have, this one sounds like slightly different. AB square less than AC square plus BC square. So it means that this one sounds like acute angle triangle, right? I mean, all angles are acute, right? So
Yep.
I mean, the last case, if you have AB square greater than AC square plus BC square, I think you know it. So it's going to be choose, right? You get it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, do I understand it?
Understand it.
I don't know. Okay. I meant you want to give you another one?
That's okay.
Or it's okay?
It's okay.
Okay. What about this one? We have a large pyramid, a small pyramid move. The base is 90 centimeter. As the small pyramid has square base is 40. The height is 48. Height of 40. Calculate the volume. Firstly, you need to keep, the rule of that. So let me write that the volume. Do you know the volume of that?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the volume?
All the sides added up times all the sides multiplied.
But this one, it sounds like third, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Every single time to get the volume of anything, remember that we have only one rule. We need to follow it. Even if you have, cylinder, cuboid, or rectangular prism or cube, or all of them, sounds like base area times height, right? So this one, A stands for area times height, which makes sense. But the point is, we get third, right? Even if it has a cylinder, if you want to get the volume of the cylinder, so it's going to be pi square radius height, which makes sense, base area times height, but the area looks like a circle, so the area of the circle is, by square radius time multiplied by height. Did you get it? So here we have third multiplied by the area. But the point is, he told me this one sounds like a square pyramid, which makes sense if you have a square, so all sides are equal, right? So it's going to be side length times self. And he told us that we had 90. So it's going to be third times 90 times 90, right?
Mm-hmm.
Multiplied by the by the height. But the height is, look at this one. Seems like
add them up, no? Add them up.
Yeah, right. You need to add up them. So this one, I think it's 108, right?
Yeah.
So do you have a calculator? This one is the large one. Tell me the answer.
Wait, something's wrong. Wait, I got 29,160.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's okay. 29.
Okay.
160? 20.
Yeah, 29,160.
Okay. So we were trying to find out, the large one. So right now, this one's going to be I have to do the same thing, but I need to figure out volume of the small one, right? Because this one, if you want to find out the volume of the block, so it makes sense. I'm trying to look. I'm gonna give you another example to be able to understand what I meant. So if you get something like this one, it's not the same, but this one, for example, and this one, and all of a sudden I asked you to get this shaded area. How could I get it? So it makes sense. I need to get the outer one, and I need to subtract. The inner one from the outer one, and then we'll be able to get the shadow, right?
Yeah.
So the outer one, it makes sense. I need to start from the largest one. So this one looks like a rectangle. So I need to get the area of the rectangle, the area of the circle. I need to subtract them from each other, and then we'll be able to calculate the shaded area. Here we have the same thing. I was trying to find out the volume of the large pyramid. Got it ready. As you told me, that this one looks like 29,160, right? Okay. No, it's wrong. I don't think so. I think this one is 90. Do you write it as 90?
No, I wrote it as 9.
Oh my God. No, wait, hold on. My pencil sometimes, it's been lag. I don't know. But it's 90. I told you this one is the base is square. It's 90 times 90. I was trying to illustrate to you. I have to multiply side length times itself. No, anyway, so I think I have another zero. No need to calculate it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is the large one. I have to do the same thing to the small, because the small one has been removed, right? So I need to figure out what is the volume of. So I think the rule is going to be the same, right? I don't have to change it. Third times area times height. But wait, hold on. So let me write third multiplied by the side length. Look at this one. What is the side length of the square? With the small one, it's not 90 anymore, right?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be 40. Look at this one. So what do you think?
40.
Yeah, okay. It's going to be 40 multiplied by 40 multiplied by the height. So what do you think about the height?
60.
Oh my God. We are trying to deal with the upper one, no, the lower one. The upper part, right?
48.
48. Yeah, right. Can you do it?
25,600.
Say it again.
25,600.
Okay. And then what should I do? The last thing, if you want to get the volume, so it makes sense. It's going to be the volume of the large pyramid minus the volume of the small pyramid, right? Last one. Let me write it. So is this one clear for you? Okay. Let me illustrate to you another time. Okay. Look at this one. I need to calculate the volume of this part, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to get the volume of this part, so it makes sense, I need to get the volume of the large one firstly. Then the volume of the small part, that you need to remove it and subtract them from each other. Can you help me? So I'm talking about the large one firstly, right?
Oh, we're doing it again.
Yeah.
So
But I'm not gonna do it. I mean, it's your turns.
yeah, no. So
Gonna be third.
a third times 90 times 90.
Wait, hold on. Let me write the rule.
Third area times height.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Good. So, but remember, I'm trying to calculate the volume of the large pyramid, right? So it's going to be third. Yeah. Now, the base area, the area looks like a square, which makes sense. This one, right?
Yeah.
So, what do you think?
Yeah, so 90 times 90.
Multiplied by the height. Look at the height.
48 plus 60. 108.
108. Can't even remember. What was the answer? What was the answer? Are you there?
Yeah, 29,000. Wait, 291,600.
Right it. 191,000 and 600, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You got the large one. So right now, I need to figure out small one, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. How can I do it? It's gonna be the same. It's gonna be third.
So V equals third times A times area times height.
Yeah, right. I need to change the square. It's gonna be smaller. The side of it maybe smaller. So instead of using 90, I'm gonna use 40, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on. Tell me. Why should I write?
So yeah, times 40 times 40 times by 48.
Yeah, right. I need to back up this height. Okay. So what is the answer?
25,600.
25,600, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I haven't done it yet, right? So what is the last step? I need to do it. If you want to get the volume of the block, so it makes sense, I need to subtract them from each other,
Yeah.
right?
Okay. Yeah.
So is it clear for you?
Yeah.
So okay. So I think it's pretty clear. I'm gonna take a screenshot for the other one. I'm gonna share it with you. It's not hard, honestly. It's so easy.
Mm-hmm.
So we have this one. Look at this one. Can we do it together?
Yeah, okay.
So the point is the denominator is not the same, right? Which makes sense. I don't have the ability to add up them together or subtract them from each other, which makes sense. Every single time you want to add up, 3 over x plus 4a over x, that's called the like fraction, right? The denominator looks like the same, which makes sense. I need to write x, and then I need to add up them together, right? See, it's
Yeah.
really. But what if you have something looks different? You have 3 over x plus 4 over x minus 1. It's not the same, unfortunately. No, the point is, what I wanted you need to pick up x minus 1, but remember, I need to multiply x minus 1 times the entire fraction, but I need to multiply up and down, which makes sense. X minus 1 there and x minus 1 there, right?
Yeah.
And what about the other one? I don't think they are still the same, because this one is x minus 1, but this one is x multiplied by x minus 1. We need to pick up x, multiply x up and down, right? Look at the denominator. They are the same, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But remember, I need to distribute it. So it's going to be 3x minus 3, right? Divided by x. It's been multiplied with x minus 1, right? Plus 4 over x, 4x divided by x multiplied by x minus 1. I was trying to turn them. I need to have the same denominator. This is the point. Here we have 3x plus 4x. So this one is going to be 7x minus 3 over x multiplied by x minus 1. Did you get it? So it was the same example exactly. I was trying to give you another example. Okay. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Give you another one.
No, it's okay.
Okay. So let me think of this one. So what do you think? What do you think?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Uh, the common, wait, no. Multiplier?
Okay, so yeah, you're right. I need to multiply, the first fraction by x up and down, right?
Yeah.
What about the other one?
Multiply by 3.
No, wait, hold on. X minus 3, man. Right?
Yeah.
So x minus 3 there and x minus 3 there. Right?
Yeah.
The point is, let me take a look for the denominator. I think they are the same exactly, right? This is the point. I'm trying to turn them to have the same denominator to be able to add or subtract. Without having the same denominator, I wouldn't be able to add up together. So this one is going to be 7x. Let me write it, because 7 times x, so 7x divided by, x has been multiplied with x minus 3 minus 2. This one has been multiplied with x minus 3 divided by x over x minus 3, right?
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
And then this one sounds like a little bit tricky. I need you to, to pay attention. So this one, it sounds like -2, right?
Yeah.
So we need to distribute it, which makes sense. It's really easy, but this one I could write it just like 7x divided by x multiplied with x minus 3. When we try to distribute it, remember, this one's -2. It's not 2, right? Which makes sense. -2 times x, so this one's going to be -2x plus 6, right?
Yeah.
So 7x minus 2x, so it's going to be 5x plus 6 divided by x multiplied by x minus 3. Do it again. Yeah. No. I think we need to do it again. Okay. It's your turn. Tell me.
No.
Just try to do it. It's really easy. It's not hard.
Yeah, no, I have a really bad headache. So multiply by x, multiply by x, multiply by x negative 3 on the other side.
Right?
Yeah,
Okay. So 7 times x.
7x.
Let me write it. Over x multiplied with x minus 3 there. Here we have negative 2 multiplied by with x minus 3. Now, this one sounds like negative in the middle divided by x multiplied with x minus 3. No, I think we got the same denominator, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a point. Okay, let me continue. So,
Multiply out the bracket. So 2x,
you meant negative 2, right?
negative 2x, and negative 5. I know negative
Oh,
6. Negative
oh.
6, negative 6.
No, wait, hold on. I had a mistake.
Positive 6.
Positive 6.
Positive. Yeah,
We
yeah,
turn it into positive.
yeah.
So this one sounds like I meant 7x minus 2x.
Yeah, so 5x plus b.
It's not b.
6.
Yeah. Okay. Divided by
Uh,
next.
yeah,
Okay. Did you get it?
yeah.
Um.
How'd you get this time?
Yeah. Okay. So wait, hold on. Let me write something. I think it's 1 hour and a half today, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Do you have any other question?
no, thank you.
If you face any difficulties, just let me know. Okay.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
You're welcome. See you the next time, inshallah.
Problem. Bye.
Bye.